Okay, so whilst you are marveling at my beautiful screen, which is probably not doing anything entertaining or exciting at the moment, I decided to make this video. I'm hoping it's going to be quick. I made this video to try and help somebody out there who might be confronted with a question that I think most of us have faced before, or we continue to face every day. I mean, go online right now and you will be bombarded with adverts from forex brokers offering bonuses, offering the world to you. But anyway, today we're going to talk about bonuses. Do you take deposit bonuses? Must you take a deposit bonus? Leave your comment in the comments box below. I would really appreciate reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, what you think about deposit bonuses. So I bumped into a friend of a friend. The reason I'm making this video is I bumped into a friend of a friend. They know that I do forex trading and they're about to start their own forex trading journey. So they've looked around and they found a broker whom they think matches what they want from a broker, and they're about to make their first deposit. For their first deposit, this broker wants to give them 100% deposit bonus. If they deposit $100, the broker wants to give them another $100, so they'll have $200 to trade with. If they deposit $1,000, this broker wants to give them another $1,000, so they'll have $2,000 in their account to trade with. But to them, it sounds fishy. Something doesn't add up. Why is the broker wanting to give them free money? Is there anything like free money in forex trading? Is there anything like free money in this world? Again, I would like to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments in the comments box below. To a certain extent, I agree with him. There are no free lunches in this world. And I know for a fact money doesn't grow on trees. So why would a person just give you free money? There must be a catch somewhere, right? Let me say most of the time there usually is, especially concerning deposit bonuses. That's based on my personal observations. So do not crucify me. It's based on my own personal observations. Of course, there are few instances where I've come across forex brokers who will give you a bonus with fairly favorable conditions. But most of the time, I observed that there are no free lunches in this world. So I now usually stay away from deposit bonuses. I'll get to why I now stay away from deposit bonuses. Again, if you have had a good experience with a broker that gave you a deposit bonus, yeah, I would like to read your comment in the comments box below. There are many incentives that are offered by brokers, but the deposit bonuses are offered for depositing money onto the broker's platform into your account. Usually they give you 10%, 15%, 30%, and yeah, in some cases 100%. Is it free money? That's the question. Here's what I observed. It's my own observations. What I observed is many not all of them. Many of the established brokers, many of many, not all of them, many of the large, established, reputable forex brokers, they do not offer deposit bonuses. That's an observation. I also observed that many of the brokers that are headquartered in the UK or the US, they do not offer deposit bonuses. And I observed that it's usually the up and coming brokers, those ones that are still trying to grow, that offer these deposit bonuses. So it's usually a marketing tool for them. They are trying to get as many people onto their platform because they don't have reputation and they don't have numbers. So they offer this incentive to forex traders to sign up. That's an observation. However, I also observed that it's usually brokers based in countries where the regulations are a bit relaxed that offer these deposit bonuses. So why is it that the large, reputable, established brokers that are based in countries with stricter laws like the UK and the US, why is it that they do not offer deposit bonuses? Why is it's usually brokers based in countries where the laws are a bit lax that offer these deposit bonuses? It's just observations. Feel free to leave a comment in the comments box below and tell me what you think. But it's just an observation. Again, what I observed is usually these deposit bonuses are targeted at small beginner traders. They are not usually targeting the experienced or professional traders. That's my observations. Now, here's my thoughts concerning deposit bonuses. I think it has to do with terms and conditions. I think many traders, we fall into traps and we fall into trouble because traders, we do not read terms and conditions. Many traders just want to deposit their money, start trading, and hopefully make money, and hopefully all goes well, they can make a withdrawal. That's all traders want. We don't want to read through 5 pages of terms and conditions. And it's usually in these terms and conditions where the brokers spell out the conditions for the deposit bonus. They're a bit sneaky, eh? They know that we don't read these terms and conditions. At least 80% of us, we don't care about these terms and conditions. So they put them there. So in the terms and conditions, the broker usually places 2 conditions, either together or they can choose one of them, which they can use to keep you on the platform because they will use those clauses to keep your money. So you will not leave the platform because your money is on their platform. The first one, they will say volume. They usually give you a certain amount of volume that you need to trade in order to be able to withdraw that deposit bonus. Mind you, the moment you made your deposit and you accepted the broker's deposit bonus, the broker will tell you that your money and their money is already mixed. So you cannot withdraw your initial deposit if you change your mind. They will make it hard for you. And it's in the terms and conditions about the volume, and you would have not read the terms and conditions. Now, what they also do is they will manipulate the value of that $300 or $100 deposit bonus that they gave you. The common trick is that they'll say you need to trade, say, $1 million in order to be able to what? To withdraw the deposit bonus that's worth $100. So for each dollar that the broker is giving you as a bonus, you need to have traded volume equal to $10,000. It doesn't make sense. That's why I now stay away from these bonuses. If I find a bonus with terms and conditions that are favorable, well, I might consider it. But generally, I now stay away from deposit bonuses. So what happens is it places pressure, especially on beginner traders, because your money is tied with the broker. You now start taking reckless trades because you want to what? Take your money out, and you are trying to reach this volume target that has been placed on your account. So you begin to take reckless trades. The next thing you know, you blow your account. And who wins? The broker takes your money. That's how they play the game. The second thing that they usually do is they place a clause in the terms and conditions which state that the broker has the right at their discretion to withdraw the deposit bonus. Many people don't know that. Many people do not know that. So if a broker has put that in their terms and conditions and you have not read the terms and conditions, you're in big trouble, because here is what usually happens. Say you deposited $1,000 and the broker gave you $500 as a deposit bonus, and in your account you are now trading $1,500. Now you are taking lots based on $1,500. That's how you are calculating what? Your lot sizing. Now it happens that you are in drawdown, because not every day is a good day in trading. Now it happens that you are in drawdown. Maybe your account is 20% or 25% in drawdown. You made a mistake. Mistakes happens. They happen even to the best of us. Here is what the broker does. They observe that your account is now in drawdown and it just needs a slight push so that you can blow it. They use that clause to what? To withdraw their bonus. So you are in drawdown for 20% because you're taken lot sizing based on the 1.5 that's in your account. Now the broker comes back, and at their discretion, because they are allowed to do so according to the terms and conditions that you did not read, they withdraw their $500. Now your 20% drawdown suddenly jumps to around 40% drawdown, because your lot sizing was based on 1.5, but now your account now has $1,000, because the broker is what? Exercised their terms and conditions and taken away their bonus. So immediately your account is in the red, and before you know it, it's just a small push, your account is blown. Who wins? The broker. That's how they take your money. So my opinion is, read terms and conditions. That way you understand what's being offered before you jump in. Don't just jump in. It's not free money. It's not always free money. It doesn't happen like that. There usually is a catch somewhere. So be careful, guys. It's not usually what it seems. Read the terms and conditions. Otherwise, the brokers, they'll just keep blowing your accounts, taking your money, and you wonder what's going on here. And they'll keep on giving you those bonuses because they know you are never going to withdraw them. So they keep giving you these bonuses because they definitely know you will never withdraw them. So be safe, and I hope it helps you and it helps somebody. If you have questions, leave them in the comments box below. I would like to read them, and maybe I can answer them in a future video.